I'm Morgan.
I'm Owen.
And you're watching Hooked. What's up, y'all? Welcome to Hooked. Today, we're going to be going over to Point Magoo, California. Me and my 4-year-old son, Waylon. Going to be rigging his little pole he got here. I got to get him a bigger one, but he's 4 years old, easy for him to handle. But anyway, we're gonna be rigging up. We're trying to catch some leopard sharks. There's a bunch of leopard sharks out there. I'm gonna rig this up here. We're at the Channel Island Sports Fishing Bait Shop. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and rig this up, get ready. After work, jump on the truck, go down to Magoo, hopefully catch some leopard sharks. And we're off work finally. Picked up Waylon from school, about to head out to Magoo, rip some lip, bud. What are we trying to catch again? Leopard sharks, that's right. Hopefully get one over 3 feet so we can cook it and grub out, baby. We'll see you guys out there.
Yeah, we will see you guys out there.
All right, we finally got out here to Magoo. Gonna be using some jack smelt I caught last week, threw it in the freezer. Gonna throw a head on there. Also got some frozen squid, got from Channel Island Bait Shop. We're gonna give it a shot, see if we can't catch anything. Tide's pretty rough, so I don't know how it's gonna go.
Ooh, over there. Ooh. You leopard shark. Oh.
We've been fishing out here for about 30 minutes. Got the fish head on mine. Waylon's got the squid on his deal. Haven't got any bites yet. Don't get anything in the next few minutes. I think I'm gonna switch up to squid. Tide's coming in pretty rough, so might have to cast out a little further. We'll see. Time to switch to squid. Been out here since like, I don't know, 16:30. Not one bite. I was fishing with my buddy Ben last week and he told me, man, they always say there's plenty of fish in the sea, but not for me, not today. Oh man, hopefully we get something soon. I don't have anything, dude, but I do have a beautiful sun and an amazing looking truck. Look at that beauty back there. Well, we didn't catch anything. Not a single bite in 2 hours, man. It's all right. That's why they call it fishing, not catching, right, D? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, head home, catch up with Mama, eat a fresh, hot, home-cooked meal. Come right back at it on Friday. Come back in a couple days, man. Try to hook a fish then, but until then, we'll catch you on the fish side. Late.